All right. Good morning. So, good morning. Welcome to a new series of mine. Pretty much, this series is just, me and my cousin. We're going to be we have I think 23 acres of land at our grandmother's. And we just got shit we gotta get done. This is what we're gonna do. So if you're interested in just people doing work outside, you're in the right place. And yeah. So for today, I'm on my way now to my grandmother's. We're going to be I think there's like 5 main projects I have that I want to get done on the property, but we have days like today. We have little things that we need to get done. So like I need an oil change, my cousin needs an oil change. I need to do some maintenance on our mowers. There's a bush that my grandmother wants us to trim up, and there's some trees that she wants us to trim up. The door gets open. I don't think it doesn't say it is. Whatever. But we have some little things that we need to get done before we can start on the main stuff. But we have a whole bunch of shit that I want to get done. I'll show you guys around the place when I get there. But first on my list is I need to stop at AutoZone to get an oil filter for my cousin's car, and I need to stop at Wawa to get gas to fill this baby up because I need gas. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to our grandmother's. Alright, we made it to the grandparents. So, why am I so zoomed in? What the hell? I don't know why I'm so zoomed in myself. But, so, this is it. This is their land. Whole bunch of 5 fields. this field I'm standing in, we have a field over there, field in the front there, field on the opposite. You can see the field right there. There's a why? Stop focusing on my hand. Field over there. Stop focusing on my hand. Jesus. A field over there where those trees are, and then behind those big trees right there. All right, there. There's a field. Actually, I don't know what that townhouse is. Right there. Right there. There's a field there, which is our property, but our neighbors down there actually, he mows it, he uses it, so we're friends with that neighbors. But like I said earlier, there are 5 main projects, 5 things I think I want to get done here. I have a shit ton of work I want to get done. I want to keep calling this place a farm. It isn't a farm. If I called it a farm, it's a farm. But right here is the first. There's our first project. This used to be an old garden. All up in here, all overgrown. I started this a year or so ago, and I ripped up got up all of this trash. So there's God knows what in here. Metal beams I've been pulling out, old siding, wood, old fencing, a barrel for water, I'm assuming. There's a hose in here somewhere. Right there, there's a hose with that little green thing about a fingertip. There's a lot more scrap I've actually kind of forgot about. It's all, this is honestly, that's how you can tell it's been a while. It's all overgrown scrap. But this is just all overgrown. This has been overgrown my entire life. Not this bad. It's been overgrown, but not this bad. But I'll show you around here what we want. These poles, these big thick metal poles, there's 5 of them or 6. 5 of them. There's 2 here. There's these 2 which are visible, and that one that's leaning, which I started on last time I was doing this, but didn't get completed. But this one, as you can see, is loose. So this is project number 1. This is gonna be one of the winter projects, because once this gets colder, all of this will end up dead. Hopefully, just hope. And it's a lot easier to see how much we're really working with. We can get in there. Hopefully the brush hog will be fixed by then. This thing is coming out. It's kind of a dip here. So hopefully I can get this fixed. Get this grassed. All of this grass backed up so that this field doesn't have some weird, like, I cut grass here and I got cut back here, like I want to cut from here all the way over that, like, it's annoying. I mean, I get it. It used to be a garden, which was nice, but it's annoying now because, like I said, I gotta cut that little area back. Oh well. Like, my problem, not yours. But on the second task is tree cleanup. Right there. Stop focusing on my hand when I get zoomed in. But that right there. Now I got closer, so hey, stop zooming in or focusing on it. This right here is a fallen tree from last year, or over the summer. Yeah, over this summer. This used to be, I believe, a chestnut tree. I don't know, but it is old, brittle. I fucking hurt. But it's in the way. Like I said, I cut grass right through here, and it's in the way, and it looks ugly, and that really for some reason. Third task. There's another tree I'll show you over there somewhere. Third task that I want to do eventually, which we're gonna just do today, but not what I want to get done. Maybe not, don't know yet. But these things, these are called branches of a chestnut tree. And they're annoying as fuck because right now, this is my eye level where you guys are standing. Me walking, I hit these fucking things. When I am driving the John Deere, which I'm a little up here, I'm hitting all of this. Especially up here. All in my face. And if you guys don't know what chestnuts are, they're these little fellas. Right there, let me zoom in a little bit. These little fellas right here. They got spikes, if you can't tell. They got little spikes on them. They hurt. I've got them in my fingers, got them in my feet before because I didn't wear proper shoes, which I am today. Fucking asshole. But yeah, they hurt to get stuck in your face, in your hands. And I don't want to get it in my eyeballs. So that's something I want to get done at some point. This year. So back down to task 2, go to the second tree. Holy shit, I almost got hit by a tree. It is windy as hell out here. But back to task 2, to the second tree I was talking to you about. Over here. It's right behind here. This field's annoying as fuck because it's uneven. Plus there's 3 rocks up there. I always hit. Not always, but I get hit there sometimes. I got to cut back here. Oh well. Granted, this isn't a major priority. If you don't really use this, this is a path. Goes right up to, there's a house up there. And also it goes into a back road. But this isn't good. Like, this has been here 2 years now, or a year at least, and this is just not okay. I want to get rid of it. I want to clean up back here. That way, if we do end up needing to, like, you can tell we started to cut this way because it doesn't even look like the path goes through here anymore. And I'm promising you, this edge of the path is the original edge of the path from what I can remember from when I was a kid. So where my foot is, should be a straight line, straight through. And there isn't. You can see it starts curving, granted, because that's because we started cutting back here, so it didn't become overgrown like this. But, or like that up there. You can see it's blocking the path up there. But yeah, this was actually used to be, or the person who worked on our John Deere used to live up that way. My grandfather would always drive the John Deere up this path, and we would also drive the 4-wheeler up this path for 4-wheeler rides. And it was a fun time, but now we got a fucking tree in the way. That's fun. But now on to task 4? 3 or 4? I think the tree limbs are 3, or 4. Me, my father, my oldest brother, and my pop-up. We all, me, my brother, my dad, we're all big hunters. Pop-up was a big hunter. Sadly, no longer with us. But other shit also want to get cleaned up because this is my way from cutting. This used to be a tree down here. I just don't know why we never finished cleaning it up. Or we never did. But like I said, we're big hunters. We hunt back here. So our way back here is through this bridge, which is sturdy somehow. But it moving. This actually supports the 4-wheeler pretty well. If we ever need to come back with the 4-wheeler. But there's only one problem. Actually, I think, yeah, these are pretty thick. Pretty thick logs here. They're just dug in the ground. God knows how fucking far. Those metal poles I showed you were deep down in that fucking ground. But as you can tell, that it's further down, right? You know, further down the gap. But we get over here, and there's the water, right there, which does trickle down under those rocks right there, which I'm assuming somehow gets over here, because there's water flow from there. That could be from somewhere else. Don't know where this water is going, but like, it doesn't look, honestly, it doesn't look that bad. Like with all the stick buildup and with just all of this, like the creek gets deeper and like fuller up there, and like that could flood. And it could wash this bridge out, which is something we don't want. And so I'm thinking this is gonna be one of the last tasks, because you know, during the winter we hunt, so I can't be working back here and cut this bridge off, and we need to get back hunting. So this is a summer job, and I am wanting to not get rid of the bridge, because like, I don't think I could build anything better than this. Like, this thing is, for all I know, this could have been here before my grandparents moved in. This property used to be an old farm. That's probably why I call it a farm, because it used to be a farm. But yeah, this is a no-no. That's a yes. We want this, not that. With all that being said, those are our 5 main tasks throughout the series. But like I said, today, my plan was to work on the garden, but nature had other plans. I know, nature always fucks us over. Like I said, we got two oil changes to do, mine and my cousin's. A bush, ow! I think I got chest on my foot. 2 oil changes, a bush, some trees, and the mowers that I need to get taken care of. Right there, in that first shed. And I'll let you guys know, out of these 3 sheds and 1 garage, 2 garages, and a summer kitchen, I have no idea what is in here, why anything is in here, or what my grandfather was using it for. But let me show you our equipment first, so you can't break into a shed. God, this is difficult to do it. There we go. A lot harder to do that with one hand. That's great. This plank is in the way of the door. I don't know what all these planks here are doing. Ow, that's my foot. I have no idea. Now, we can open up to the beauty. Yes, it's missing a taillight. I know. This thing is probably just as old as me, if not older, and it gives us problems. Like, it thinks it's overheating, but we think it's a computer problem. I don't know. But this, fuck you too, one. This here, this is the newer equipment we have. It's a 0 turn. I'm not even gonna test it, but yeah, a ZTLX 0 turn from Gravely. I just learned that these do this. Yeah, my dad runs this most of the time if it's the 2 of us. I run it sometimes if it's me and my one cousin. I think I pushed this John Deere into the bumper. Oh, almost. Yeah, a little bit there. But we're done for the season, most likely. So these need to get maintenance. I don't do that. This wind does not like me. That's why we got poles. That's why we have these. To stop the wind from doing what the wind has been doing. But yeah, so as I said, we have 2, I don't do the maintenance. I wish I could, because we want to do our own blades, because we have a grinder downstairs for both of them. We do have a jack for them. It's not hard. It's not hard to do maintenance on thing here. Like right here's the filter. If I can pop this open. Here we go. Right there. Air filter. And that just simply pops off. You blow that off, you can replace it, whatever you want to do, however you feel needed. Obviously you got your dipstick, which oil or something down there, I can't really see. There's another fluid down here. Gas is on over here. It's your gas tank. I don't know, I'm showing you the zero turn. But what I need to do, get on this opener side. Aha, right here. I need to pull these off. Oh shit, I'm on phone. Gotta pull these off because we don't blow off our shit until the end of the season apparently. I just did it yesterday or the other day. And it doesn't look bad here as much as it does over there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's grass sticking out of those covers. So you gotta pull off both of the covers. There's one there and there's one on the other side. I'm gonna pull this off. This is gonna reveal the belt. Yeah, you can see there's there's a grass over here, which so that might be something over here. I don't want it to pack up and rip a belt because it's already lost a belt this season. We don't want that again. And yeah, like I said, this cover comes off, goes in the belt, and like I said, there's grass. You can see there's grass sticking out right there. It's grass. I don't like that because it was packed down here. So I want to get this cleaned up. So yeah, I'll set you guys up so you can watch me pull them out. And pull them down here, so we have air compressor and everything, our tools. But yeah. We got them both out. We're sitting up here. I'm going to set you all up here. So yeah. Like I said, all I'm doing is pulling off the covers. Nothing really fun, it's just the covers. I don't know where my wrench is. Before any of y'all say anything, I did bring my own wrenches, mainly for oil. And like I said, everything is everywhere at this place, but it's a lot easier when you got everything right here. That's fun. Not like I expected. There's I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can't see it because my tripod's in the way. But there's grass on this one. But that's one cover. So on to the second one for the zero turn. That's why I was pulling the covers off. There's grass underneath these covers. That one isn't as bad. But this one, there's a lot of grass up in there to get cleaned out. But back to what I was saying. This thing, this was a pain in the ass to get back here because of this being zip tied. And there was a screw back there, which had to be under here. And there's one here. This one wasn't much of a pain, but it was still a pain in the ass. And that's why we love wrenches. So, we're going to clean off that one, put all these back. And we're gonna get on this beauty. Which I can tell from here, she's gonna be a bitch. But yeah, so let me show you how I clean things off. With these and with this, it's gonna be loud. So where's the plug? There's the plug. I'll do this one not one-handed. But so yeah, air compressor. Just sit here. You're gonna blow this out. And these are really nice gloves. They don't let prickers hurt your hands. And dried grass hurts like a bitch. So yeah, we're gonna get to cleaning this one and putting this one back together. So, I was cleaning off this end here, and thought I found a stick, but I found a metal rod. Huh. But I gotta get under there and look, see what this is from. That's a problem. I'm gonna leave this here with you guys. I'm gonna go back to cleaning. Hey, he's here. He go away. He go away now. How was work?
Fantastic.
Oh, someone's getting in trouble over there. I didn't do it. Why do you have meat?
I have to give this to Nana.
Well, I gotta finish.
Yeah, take a guess. Where is it?
Oh, your jack?
Yeah.
Is it under here?
It's right there.
How the fuck do you open this? Why the fuck is it there?
I don't know.
Normally they're under here. So what's under here then?
Storage.
There's a cup holder under here.
More storage. And more storage.
I feel like we're looking for your tractor. Storage everywhere. I'm surprised this isn't storage over here.
Got attacked by a leaf.
I've been attacked by all the fucking today. Oh, there's a root beer sitting in the garage for you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
It might be a little warm, but it's in there.
I just found it funny because I actually stopped at Speedway to get myself. So.
Alright. Alright, I gotta go back and do this bullshit. We did get it cleaned out. It was real packed under here, which I mean, it's not perfect because of the obviously air compressor's not really working properly, but it's clean. That's all of it. Dries not as much as I cleaned it earlier. And this side is also clean. I wanted to blow the rest of this off. And blow that off. But that's another day. Now, the other thing is figuring out what this was too. And re-plugging in that. That's just for the lights. That's not important. But I think if I could get my tripod. There we go. I'm gonna put back I'll put back the two covers. And jack this bitch up and figure out what that piece was too. Alright, well.
Your best bet is to hold on to it and then
All we're gonna do
inform the father of said issue.
This is gonna stay in there.
And who knows, we might find out what its purpose is.
More often. Newer looking one. Wrap it up and it goes in the garage. And all of y'all, we're gonna put these back. So that way I could stop being concerned that someone's trying to steal my shit. I'm here, door closed. Got them back. And now we gotta deal with these two fucking pieces of shit cars. And that piece of shit over there too. I mean, oh yeah, that's more piece of shit than that piece of shit. You have a point. Simple. Yeah. That's fine, it's 4. Don't, I've been like that for years. So yep, that's how this shit goes. And so then, this is the fun, because I can't get under there as easily. He ain't fitting under there. So this is gonna be a fun time. So we just gotta get these tires up on these ramps. Bumping them tunes. Come. Go back a little. Go back a little. We're good. Don't forget to change this. This is your oil filter. If you don't change this when you change your oil, you will regret it. Alright? Alright. This is your oil pan. Mine's surprisingly metal, because it's an older Ford. You know what's annoying about this Ford though? The fact that the plug is right here. Why can't it be over here? Like, what the fuck? So, I have to gauge. This is probably not good fucking feeling, but I gotta gauge where this is gonna fall. That way. We fuck it up every fucking time. Here we go. Always fuck it up, and then we always get the fucking ground dirty. Think that's gonna fit?
I don't know. I don't know what it looks like. I can't see from here, brother.
I don't even know where the fuck that's from.
Are you sure you're twisting it the right way?
I've been trying both ways.
You want me to try? See if I can undo it?
Ow!
I'm pretty sure I just lowered your horse.
Yeah, no, I'm watching you lower my car.
It's so bad.
I don't understand why this gets so tight. Why? Stop zooming. Or stop focusing on this fucking nothing.
Okay, this is starting to bother me.
Yeah, that's probably smart. That's not what I thought. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Oh, one tip. Do not let the oil plug fall into the oil if you don't like your hands getting oily. If you like playing in oil, then go ahead. Ah, son of a bitch. Can you get a shop towel?
Hang on.
Yeah. Never mind, we're just
I don't know what you want. You have to grab it.
just keep it out there for now.
Okay.
Where'd your friends go? Oh, right there. Look at that. So pretty. No, wind. It's blowing the fucking trickle. Ah, yeah, thank you. Now, part 2. The filter. Whoa, hang on. Alright. Once you get the filter done, let it drip. While that's doing that, can you give me a towel? This little plastic shit up here. Best thing to do, take your little fingy, dip it in the oil, and just lubricate that. Right on the O-ring. You can lubricate it as much as you want, just make sure it's enough. And then twist that back on. Hand tight. Christ is a rarity, but he found the filter. They got it to work. You know, both learned something today. My car's plug is a pain in the ass to get out, and his fucking oil filter is a pain in the ass to get out. I'm hungry. I'm ready to go get food. I will say, if you're going to change your own filter, never get these. Alright? These suck dick. This is just like getting one of those. Especially for a car where, I don't know how you say it, but right down there his hand is. That's where his filter is. These suck to get in there. I'll put a picture right here of the good one. They're the ones you want to get.
Because the way it wants to
You
go
know
is
what?
kinda
You got a
close.
point there. I didn't hand tighten mine. Yeah, I just hand tightened mine really good. Don't buy these if you have a filter that. Where is it? Like that, right there. Can you stop focusing on my finger?
Fuck, that means I have to get back down there and put the plug in. Okay.
Where did it go? That's too far. Where the fuck that filter go? Am I stupid? Oh, right there it is. If you got a filter like that, don't do it. Don't get these. These are the pain in the ass. Day 1 complete. Day 1 update. Day 1 complete. What did we do today? All we got done today was both the oil changes and the, as you guys watched, the maintenance on the John Deere and the 010. So I think tomorrow we're gonna come back and do the bushes, or the bush and the tree that my grandmother wanted us to do today. I'm wrapping hose, just to let you know. Trey's over there at his car, putting windshield wiper fluid in. I fucked up my wrapping. Typical. But yeah, so god damn it, motherfucker. Yeah, that's all we did today. Was struggle with fucking oil.
Well, it also didn't help that we couldn't get your oil plug loose.
Listen.
And we also couldn't get to my filter.
This is a
Learning
pain
experience.
for not buying a Ford.
Well, okay, then what's my excuse?
We had the Ford version of a oil filter wrench. I'll tell you that. We had a shitty fucking. Why is my Wower seat pink? You see this?
Hang on.
Why is it pink? That's weird. Interesting. What, you can see it with Nana's filters out?
Yeah. This one. She's in the same spot.
Well, yours wasn't. It's not that the spotting, where the spot was terrible on yours. It's the fact that the oil wrench we had
Also didn't help with the shit.
was shit. Cause like, so normally the ones, I don't know where the hell it is, but it's
Talk about the string one?
literally just like,
The string.
it's just like a wrap. Like you just do it and you just fucking twist it. It's just like, it's like a ratchet strap on a fucking handle. It's so much fucking better. But I don't know where it is. It's not here. I didn't remember seeing it at home this morning. But yeah. That's day 1 complete. We'll be back tomorrow to do other shit and not each other. So see you tomorrow.